the recognition of your true nature is not something that you're going to do, which can be very confusing and frustrating to the one that wants to wake up. So it's just because you're not part of a whole. You're the whole appearing as a part. So we take ourselves to be the part of the whole, trying to get back to our true nature. But we're actually the whole, appearing as a part. So in terms of recognizing the truth of your being, you already are what you're looking for. So what's searching, what's journeying, what's going to recognize the truth of its being is what you already are. The alert, awake presence that you already are, the pure intelligence that you already are. So we just take ourselves to be the limited separate self, journeying home, and that's the experience we have, so it's completely understandable. But what's actually journeying is the divine. It's not a separate self. It's not apart from itself. It's itself journeying home. So your true nature is already what's listening to this video. And the experience you might have is, it's not here yet. But that's just a thought that creates the experience, because we are the creative force of the universe. So we get to create these journeys home, these recognition of truths for ourselves. It's the one self doing it. So if we look at it from the point of view that we're this little part journeying home to the whole, we feel sort of vulnerable and at the mercy of this divine will. And in a way, it's not a bad thing, because this little part can just surrender, can lie down on the grass and say no more. And in doing that, the truth is revealed, that you're already home. So what I'm pointing to is that everything is spontaneously happening, but you are that spontaneous happening. That your true nature be revealed to yourself, but you are the one revealing it. There is nothing apart from you. It's just that we experience that there is. But what's experiencing that is the divine. So I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.